This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 865 processor. The Fan Edition has 6 gigs of RAM. The S20 Plus has 8. They're both on Android 10. They're both on their latest version of One UI. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus speed test. Samsung Night Showdown. Which one will boot up faster? Oh, looks like the Fan Edition. Oh, so close. Oh, this is still loading. There you go, very close, but I think I'm gonna give the slight advantage to the S20 Fan Edition. And we are in! All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. No recently used apps on both of them. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. A little bit faster on the FE messages. Very close. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Faster on the Fan Edition. Let's go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Very close. We'll go ahead and start this up. Leave that running in the background. Calculator on both phones. Oh, very close. Play Store. Draw. Let's go ahead and click on, let's see, what can I click on? That's the same thing. This one. We'll leave it there. And then we do have Amazon. Very close again. Maybe the S20 Plus a little bit faster, but barely. Click on that. Tiny bit faster on the S20 Plus, but not really a big difference. eBay. Again, very close. S20 Plus a little bit faster, but again, negligible differences here. So you can see, pretty much the same. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Very close. Maybe that was a draw, or the FE a tiny bit faster. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. Tap to begin. S20 Plus a little bit faster on the second step, but again, not by much. Temple Run 2. Loading on both phones. Oh! I'm gonna give the win to the S20 Plus. Tap to play. Subway Surfers. Oh, faster on the Fan Edition. Oh! A little bit faster on the Fan Edition, but again, very similar performance, really. We'll check this one out. The Angry Birds. Starting up and logging in. I think the FE is out in front by a little bit. Yup. Will the Plus catch up? Nope. We'll give the win to the Fan Edition on this. Asphalt 9, let's go. Maybe the S20 Fan Edition out in front by a tiny bit, but we'll see. Oh! I don't know, man. That was a close one. Very close. And of course, we do have the PUBG Mobile. Ooh, Fan Edition out in front. Will the Plus catch up? Ooh, okay. Huh. I think the Fan Edition's ahead. And we'll give the win to the Fan Edition on this. Get rid of this extra pop-up here on the right. Get rid of that. We'll get rid of that again. Twitter. Give that to the Plus. Instagram. Plus again. Snapchat. Plus again. And then of course we do have Samsung Internet on both phones. Now on a side note, I do like if you have dark mode turned on, how even the web browsing is in dark mode. Very nice. We'll do a search for GSM Arena here. Go ahead and just click on the first search result and we'll click on this one to give you an idea of the web browsing. Okay, a little bit faster on the right, just a tiny bit though. Pinch to zoom. Nice and super smooth on the 120 display, and the same thing on the Fan Edition. Have a look. Very nice. I'm loving these 120 Hertz displays, man. Pretty sick. All right, I'm gonna click on this new Xperia review. Now let me know in the comments if you want me to go get this phone. Should be a fun one. We'll pinch the zoom. Okay, not as smooth as before. Maybe it has something to do with the web page. We'll do the same thing here. Huh, a little bit faster on the FE. Yeah, I'm seeing a clear difference in person. I don't know if that translates to this video, but it is smoother on the FE. It's quite interesting. I'm gonna go to the bottom here. I'm gonna get rid of this ad so I can get to the desktop version. We'll have a look at this one. A little bit faster on the FE, I think. But I don't know. Pretty much identical. And the pinch to zoom here on these displays, wow, that is just so good. Huh. So smooth, I love it. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Man, the scrolling on these displays, the left to right, I mean, I could just do this all day, just how smooth that is. Wish you guys can see this in person. That is just butter. Okay, let's go ahead and run through these apps again. And we'll have a look for any stutters or any delays, anything like that. Looking good so far. PUBG. A little bit faster on the right to recover. And then we do have this one. Good to go on both. And then Angry Birds 2. A little bit faster on the S20 Plus to recover. Remember, this one has slightly more RAM. Resume on this. Good to go on both. Temple Run 2. And again, a little bit faster on the right to recover. Actually, let's resume. And no issues. Mario Run. And we have a reload on the Fan Edition. S20 Plus kept that in RAM. So again, this has more memory. So I think that's playing a factor right now. And then even on this one, right into the eBay app, whereas this one, a little bit of a delay. So a little bit of a difference there. Same thing on this, right into this Amazon page. This one, a little bit of a stutter. And then Play Store. And again, same thing on this, right into this page on Play Store. This one, a little bit of a delay again. Calculator. Clock, still running the stopwatch. Camera. There we go. Messages. A little bit faster on the right. Finally, the phone app. A little bit faster on the right. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.